Welcome to the People Analytix Solutions YouTube channel. This channel is for HR and business leaders who want to understand, build, and leverage people analytics the right way. At People Analytix Solutions, we believe organizations thrive when their people do. Our mission is to empower organizations to unlock the power of people analytics to drive business growth and help employees thrive. Here, you'll find content that bridges learning and doing. We'll share news, research, and step-by-step tutorials designed to help you turn your HR data into trusted, actionable insights. We started this channel because we saw a gap in the people analytics media space. Too often, conversations provide you with a plethora of ideas, but that's where it ends. We go further by teaching you how to actually do people analytics yourself, responsibly and effectively. Because people analytics is too important to leave entirely to AI, our goal is to help you use AI and data effectively and ethically to make better decisions for your workforce and not replace human judgment. We also believe people analytics should be accessible to everyone, from HR professionals to managers looking to improve how they lead. If you've ever wished you could get more insights from your HR data, this channel is for you. So please like and subscribe to support this channel and leave a comment to tell us what you'd like to learn next. At People Analytix Solutions, we stand for trusted insights and real impact because business wins when people thrive.